Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by your girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. It's great to see you all again. So today we have another unboxing of single swag, hashtag love yourself. And I do actually love this box so far. The first two boxes I've gotten have been amazing, and I have actually read the whole entire Anna Faris book so far, and I loved it. I can't help it. She's got such a great sense of humor, and I was so happy that it was included in that second box that I'd received. And so I definitely recommend this box to anyone who's wondering about a subscription box to try out. So let's get into this month. All right. So the first thing, as always, they have a wonderful card that tells you exactly what is in the box and what to expect from the items inside and how much they cost approximately. So I'm going to keep that in front of me and we will go through it. So the first thing is this After Spa, and it says it's a reusable makeup remover wipe. Yeah, it's saying you basically just need to add water and then it will take away your makeup. So this is the After Spa makeup remover cloth, and it costs $12. And it says this magic makeup remover is an ultra soft woven cloth that removes all types of makeup with just warm water. Simply wet your face and buff the cloth over your skin to remove even waterproof formulas. Oh man. And it says machine wash before first use. So I've seen some of these similar things before, and I actually do own a few of them already, and I do use them and I like them a lot. So I'm always excited to get another one of these. And I know they're reusable, and it sounds weird to say I'm excited to get another one, but mostly it's because I forget to wash them a lot, so they kind of pile up. So next is this Warm Neutral palette from Bang Beauty. Oh, those are some nice shades. Wonder if it'll pick it up. I really like that. These are kind of the colors I do actually use if I do tend to wear makeup. I'm not actually that flashy with my makeup whenever I do wear it. Sometimes I do go really extreme with like a really bold lip, but then I play the eyes down a little bit. And a lot of the times if I do wear makeup, it's just to enhance my natural features, not necessarily to kind of make a splash. It's just because I just feel like it. So this is a really nice palette for me. So I actually really like this. And this is the Bang Beauty Warm Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. Costs $35. And it says whether you're going for a light everyday look or a deep nighttime smoky eye, this versatile palette will help you achieve endless looks and includes both shimmers and mattes. Yeah, I like it. Let's try this really cool orange color actually. Ooh, it feels really soft. Whoa, that is super pigmented. Okay, that's impressive. Oh, so this is the 20 Face Toner Sensitive Skin, 100% natural. And it says shake well before use, spray directly on face 1 foot away after washing your face. It says it costs $27, and it's supposed to improve the look of aging and promote relaxation. It smells kind of nice actually. Don't inhale it directly, that's a bad idea. It smells nice, but don't do that. Don't do that at home. Next up, I'm beginning to wonder if every box has a cookie in it, because if so, this is going to be my favorite box. And this is the Belgian Boys Stroop Waffle, Authentic Dutch Caramel Waffle. Okay. Not sure I'm going to like these ones, if I'm being honest. But we will see. These are supposed to be $5, and it says treat yourself to this delicious authentic Dutch waffle cookie with an irresistible caramel filling, made with love in the Netherlands. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to open this because I don't think this will stay after I open them, and I don't really feel like eating them right now. I think these are meant to be had as a biscuit with tea. And actually, that's what it is saying on the back of it, is that you can have it with some tea. So I think I'm going to save it for when I have some tea on a really cold night. Ooh. So this is the Madeline Elizabeth Sugar Cane Vanilla All Natural Aromatic Soy Candle. How do you open it?
One eternity later.
Yeah, got it. That Took longer than it should have. Oh my god, it smells so good. So this is just what it looks like on the inside, and it's got this really cute dish that goes along with it. I actually really like the container this candle comes in, and it smells just heavenly. Oh my god. And so this candle costs $16, and it says the natural slow burning candle in a decorated tin has a clean and seductive sugar cane vanilla fragrance. Yes, yes it does. It smells amazing. Oh my. I feel like also everything comes with some sort of jewelry as well. That seems to be a theme. Cookies and jewelry. But, ooh. Alrighty. I've never worn anything like this before. So this is the Jewel Smith Serena hand chain bracelet. $78. Oh my god. And it says, add style and sophistication to your look this summer from day to night with this delicate, comfortable piece. The vintage-inspired yellow gold box chain is on trend and timeless. And so it's got this finger bit, and then it goes around your wrist as well. I don't know if you remember from my previous videos, but I do have abnormally large wrists, so sometimes these things just don't fit. So we'll see. Which finger is it supposed to go on? Middle finger. I feel like there's some symbolism there. Probably not even gonna fit on my finger, let's be honest. Yeah, nope, not gonna work. Also, not really my vibe either. This kind of jewelry piece is just not my thing. I mean, it looks cool, but it kind of feels more boho and delicate than I usually go. So it's just not me. So I will see if one of my friends wants it. So this is the Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. It's organic, vegan, and biodegradable. So this is $10. It says, meet your new BFF in the shower or bath. A natural cotton base layer and nylon exfoliating loops will create a rich lather and ideal texture. This organic, environmentally friendly product is clinically, allergy, and dermatologist tested and has been built in smart technology with a label that fades when it's time to replace it. Hang in the shower with an included suction cup. That's really cool. So that's a really nice idea for loofah, actually, having a little label that will fade when it's time to replace it. Now, I do have quite a few scented loofahs that I'm using right now, so this will have to wait to be tested, just because I don't want to be wasteful for the other ones, but I'm actually excited because it'll tell me when I need to change it, rather than just me guessing based on either how grimy it looks or how it smells, or just going like, oh, it's been there for a while, let's toss it. And so last but not least is this Steve Laurent lip gloss, and it says it's $22. It says this will be your new go-to lip gloss. Everything in this haul so far seems to be, this will be your new favorite, this will be your new BFF, this is gonna be your new blah blah blah, go-to blah blah blah. I don't like that. I don't like that kind of marketing. I'm like, let me choose my favorites. You just make a good product, and I will tell you whether it will be my new go-to. I don't like people telling me that that's what this is supposed to be, because when everybody does that, then it just becomes pointless. Capitalism. Anyways, moving on. And it says it is designed not to clump or stick. It's 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. Formulated with a creamy, high-tech, lip-softening texture, creating a unique hybrid gel-oil mix that will moisturize and hydrate with just 1 swipe. Okay, so as long as it's not sticky, that actually is quite a nice formula, or it sounds like quite a nice formula, because one of the things I have is an issue with liquid lipsticks or lip glosses is that either they clump and they stick, or they dry the heck out of your lips. So maybe this will be good. I'm just gonna test it on my wrist. That is a really bright color, oh my. But you know what? I actually kind of like it. I like that color for myself. Not too bad. Alright, beautiful people, that is everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, I do love some of the items that they gave me, and I'm excited to try some others, so I will have to say my favorite probably is this candle. It smells so good. It'll be great for relaxing in baths, or even just lighting in this room to make it smell better before I film. I'm actually excited to try the lip gloss, despite me kind of ragging on it before. But I actually do think it'll be nice. This washcloth, if it's the same as my other ones, I will love it. But I actually like the fact that it's much smaller, because it would be great for eye makeup, whereas my other ones are quite large and actually better for face makeup. This toner seems like it'll be nice. I'm not sure what it will do, but hopefully it'll relax me. That might be how I use it from now on. Just before bed, it does smell very calming. I do like the idea of the loofah, and I like the eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure how much use I'm going to get out of it just because I don't wear that much makeup, but when I do, I think this will be a palette I gravitate towards. I'm going to have to try the cookies. I don't know how I'll feel about them, and the bracelet will just get donated or given to one of my friends. Basically, essentially donated. But hey, you can't love everything, and that's half of what these boxes are about, is that surprise and that not knowing what you're gonna get, but getting a good deal on things, but at the same time just having your eyes open to new and different things that you wouldn't have normally thought of or tried. Overall, I still think it's a great deal, and I actually like my box. So, as I said before, I hope you all enjoyed that video, and I will see you next time. Bye!